Hi, it's Jason from Fine & Country, and today I'm on my latest listing, which is Gorrans Down, a fantastic quintessential 17th century thatched cottage located just outside Hartland and only 2 miles from the coast. Venturing inside, this property is awash with characterful features as you would expect from a 17th century Grade 2 listed cottage. I'm standing in one of the main reception rooms here, and this property has a beautiful open plan fireplace with wood burning stove. It's also got a ground floor bathroom. It's also got a lovely kitchen, cottage style kitchen with a vaulted ceiling, and another extra bedroom on the ground floor. Also included in the sale of Gorrans Down is a separate 1.5 acre field, which is currently laid to pasture, which could be utilised as part of a small holding or even left for livestock. And the gardens in Gorrans Down are a particular delight. They are ideal for socialising, entertaining, or even just taking a soak in the hot tub and looking at the beautiful views behind towards Lundy View. This property also is ideal for holiday letting, or potentially it will make a perfect second home. So if you can imagine sitting here, soaking up the sunshine, drinking a glass of wine with beautiful views of Hartland behind me here, then give Fine & Country a call today on 01237 426 018. Look forward to your call.